This is a Sears Silvertone clock radio, probably built in the late 50s, early 60s, since it is all tube powered. Everything works great on it. Give it a moment to warm up here. As you can see by the sweep secondhand, the clock works just fine. I've gone through it and cleaned all the controls, no staticky noises, and the capacitors have been replaced, the filter capacitors. There was just a slight hum, and that's normally the problem, and sure enough that took care of it. Tunes nice and smoothly.
I'm not going to pretend to be a designer. My best friend that's a designer would say, please don't.
Some businesses need more printed materials
And
than
the
others.
alarm function works fine. I've got it set, I believe, at 2 o'clock there. It's hiding behind the hour hand there. We'll advance it here to 2 o'clock. There we go.
Dog hair everywhere? Remy is shedding like a blizzard.
And the snooze button will set the timer. And that does turn the radio off. No cracks or chips. It's somewhat of a two-tone white and ivory color. Very clean all around. You can see the dial indicator light works.
Man, them guys are not working at it, man. They think it's automatic, but it's a whole nother.
I was willing, but she wasn't ready, so I settled for a burger.